Shiva energy is a very powerful energy. When you try to destroy it, it gets violent. और ऐसा ही सुशांत के साथ में हुआ है. One Bengali girl trying to do तंत्र मंत्र जादू टोना साम दाम दंड भेद सारे तौर तरीके अपना के किसी को कैप्चर करके अपनी मुट्ठी में रखना और मैनिपुलेट करना and then end his life. But what is the result? Maybe physically he is gone, but spiritually, divinefully, he is spread all over into millions of people. Thousands of messages and thousands of people have interacted with me on my social media and they have told me कि मैं सुशांत को जानता तक नहीं था, लेकिन उसके चले जाने के बाद मेरे सीने में दर्द होता है और मुझे बहुत तकलीफ होती है. You, the criminals, are now fighting with a huge mammoth number of people. It's not a single identity. He's spread into so many. Second thing, the person's name came Mr. Bhatt. He is making all paranormal activity films and all that. And that is what we saw, we believed. And after his death, Mr. Stephen Huff, 3 paranormal videos निकले जिसके अंदर सुशांत सोल was talking. We all heard it, we all know his 2 patents, his all the facts, how he was killed, how he was murdered, everything we know. Now government and CBI has to prove it. Third thing, जिस दिन राम भूमि पूजन हो रहा था राम जी का, उसी दिन सुप्रीम कोर्ट में ऑर्डर पास हुआ कि सुशांत की डेथ अनयूजुअल है और सीबीआई इंक्वायरी होनी चाहिए और सीबीआई के हाथ में वो चीज़ गई. फोर्थ थिंग, नाउ हिज all the colleagues and all the people who are in industry, big names, everybody's talking about it, everybody's discussing it, they are coming up front and speaking for him. Warriors for SSR, itni badi digital fight, second time. First time Candle for SSR went 2 million and now Warriors for SSR already trending 1. These are all the signs that Sushant is going to get justice and there is no two way about it. जिन्होंने ये क्राइम किया है वो अभी एक इंसान, एक गवर्नमेंट, एक देश के साथ नहीं लड़ रहे हैं, डिवाइन एनर्जी के साथ में लड़ रहे हैं. और हम सब के अंदर शिव है, लाइट है और वो लाइट बहुत स्ट्रांग है. टू फाइट इट बैक यू हैव टू डाई. You have to give in, you have to surrender to the divinity to win, which is not possible for a dark energy. Dark energy has to convert into light. We are going to win. Sushant is born winner and he is spread all over. Om Namah Shivaya.